Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Mecha King Kong. But in this one, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw more of a 2021 Mecha Godzilla style of this. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Mecha Kong, we're going to begin up here by the face. So we're going to start right up here, and we're just going to begin by making a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up and then down like this. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go over and up, and then another little line that's going to go over, and it's going to come down a little bit. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come up at an angle and then down. Then over here, we're going to go up, over, and then back in. Starting here, we're going to come down and in, and over here, we're going to come down and then in. We'll make two more little lines right in here. Right in here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then over. Same thing here, we're going to go up and then over. And we're just going to make kind of like a little colored in triangle shape inside each one of these for the nostrils. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come over on each side. We're going to come up, over, and then down. Same thing here, we're going to go up, we're going to go over, and then down. Then we'll connect in the middle. And then I'm just going to color this part in black right here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and then in. And then same thing here, we're going to go out and then in, a little bit smaller than this one. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go up, over, and then down. Now we're going to bring this up and over to here, and we'll draw a little line that comes over to here. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that comes down on all these corners, and then we're just going to connect them. Then we'll draw a little line that's going to come down and up. Over here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. And then right here, we'll make a line that's going to come up, over, and then we're going to bring it down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We'll make a little curved line right here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And we're going to angle this over. And we're going to bring it up. And we'll draw a little line over here. Right here, we'll make a line that's going to go up, over. It's going to come down and connect. And a little line here. And we can color this part in black too. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over. And then we're going to bring it up. Same thing here, we're going to go down, over and up. Then we're going to go down, over, and then connect to here. We'll make a little line here, and then another one here. Right here, we'll make a line down, and a line down here, with a straight line across. Same thing here, line up like triangles, and then a little line across, and then one here. And we'll draw a little line that goes over and up. Now starting here, we're going to work on the body. So we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down, over, and up. Then we'll make two little angle lines coming out of here. And make a line that's going to come over, another one that's going to come over a little bit less. Then we'll angle this up. Then I'm going to bring this up and over. I'm going to bring this one up and over. Make a little line that's going to come up. We'll draw a low line that's going to go over, down, and then back. Same thing here, we're going to go over, down, and back. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and down. And the same thing here, we're going to go up, over, and then we're going to bring it down here. We'd come down and then bring it to here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and over, another one up and over. We're going to make another line that's going to go up and over here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and in. Another little line that's going to go down, over, and up. And we're going to go over, and we're going to bring it to here. We'll make a line that's going to come down and then over. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up. Then a little line right inside here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to come down. We're going to go down again, over, down, and then in and over. Draw a little line that's going to go over, down, and in with a little line across. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and up with a little line down. Then starting over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then in. Over, up, and then in. We'll draw a couple little lines that come up. Starting here, we'll draw a line like a little square shape. We'll make a line that comes straight down. Then we're going to come over and up. Same thing here, we're going to come over and up. Make a line that's going to go over and then connect up to here. Then right here we'll draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up. Next we're going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come down at an angle. We're going to go up, over, and down. And we're going to bring this up and connect to here. Right here we're going to make a little rectangle shape. The little line's going to go down and over. Right here we're going to make a line that's going to come down, over, and then up. We're going to make a little line that's going to come down and then connect. Right here we're going to go over, up, and then connect. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go up, over, and then down, and then back up. Then over here, we're going to come down. We're going to go up, over, up, and then bring it back. Right here, we're going to make like a square shape, but then we're going to put a little cutout section right in there. Then we're going to make a little square shape around here. Little line's going to go down, over, and then we're going to bring it up here. This one we're just going to go down, we're going to come up, bring it up here, we're going to go down, and then connect. Right here we're going to go down and up, down, we're going to go over, and then bring it up. Right here we're going to go up, over, and down, and we're just going to kind of repeat the same thing underneath there. We're going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to go over, and then up. This one we're just going to come down, over, and we're going to come up here. We're going to make a little line that's going to go down, over, up, and we're going to connect. We're going to make a line that's going to go out, it's going to come down, and then back here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out, it's going to come up and over. Make a line that's going to go up and in here, and another one's going to come up and over. I'll add a little circle shape here with another one in between. Then we're going to make another line that's going to come down and connect. Then we're going to connect here. Right here we'll add a little curved line with another one. And we'll draw a little line that's going to go down and then in. Over here we're going to go up and then in. Starting here we'll just kind of bring a couple lines up and then one here. His legs turned out to be a little bit smaller. I should have probably moved him up a little bit or turned the paper, but that's okay. We'll just kind of go with it. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to come down a little farther and then connect here. This one we're going to come down, over, and then in. Make a little line that's going to come up, down, and in. We'll go up, down, and then in. We're going to go out. I'm going to come down and in. We're going to go down, over, and then we're going to come back up. Then right here we're going to go down. We're going to come in, down, and then in again. Right here we're going to go down, over, and then up for like a square shape. I'm going to make another little square shape inside of here. The little line's going to go down and in. Right here we're going to come down, we're going to go in, we'll do the same thing, we're going to go down, in, and then we're going to come straight down. Now we're just going to connect here. Right here we're going to go down, over, and then up. We're going to go down with a rectangle shape here. Then we'll do another little square shape here. I'll do another little rectangle shape here and one here. And we'll do a little square shape up here to connect it. And I'm going to draw a couple little extra lines in here. Another little rectangle up there. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and another one here. Draw a line that's going to go out, and then come up here. Little line's going to come down, and another one here. Then we'll connect it. And we're going to draw another little line up here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come across, then down, and connect. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point. It's going to come up, and then connect to here. Make a line that's going to come down, up, and then over. And then we're going to come over here. Draw line's going to come down, over and in, over and then up here. Kind of like for his little axe. Starting here, we're going to make lines kind of like a little square shape. And then another little square shape here. One here. And then one over here. Line here, and then line here. We'll make another line down, and another line down. We'll make a little square shape over here. Make a little square here, and another one here. And then we're just going to add some little lines to connect them. So now here's our basic shape of our new Mecha Kong. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So right up here, I'm going to add a couple little curved lines. Over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go in and down, with a little line across here. We'll add some little lines here. And then we'll add a couple more little square shapes here. We'll add another little rectangle shape in here. Make a couple little lines that come up. And some extra little square shapes. Make a couple more little rectangle shapes in here with some lines across. And a little square shape in here. Make a couple little lines here. And a couple little extra detail shapes here. Make a line that comes up. And a little square shape here. And a little line in here with a little rectangle down here. Little line that goes down and over. And a couple little lines over here. Now on the head, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go over and up, and then one here. And a little kind of square shape here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a new Mecha Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.